Hi, my name is Deep. I'm gonna show you how to animate characters using shape key in Blender Python. I'm using Blender 2.92 version, and for characters I'm gonna use vroid Studio. You can download it from internet, and I'm using sample models, this model. So I'm using the default model, so I'm not gonna change anything. Then we need to export it. Export, fill the required box, then we need to save it. I've already saved it, right? So one thing is Blender cannot import VRM extension file, so we need to convert it into GLB format. The thing is, if you can't see the extension, you have to select click view, go to options, select view again, and uncheck the hide extension for known file types. Click apply. OK. Then we are in Blender, import GLB, select the model, it will automatically import. And another thing is the shape key we don't have to create, it's already included. We can check it. Just scroll it down a little bit, select the face. So here shape keys is created already. We can check it, test it right now. So this is working, right? We can create animation manually by clicking here, then change the value, like this. Let's test is it working or not. Okay, actually need to change the end frame so that it will run. So it's working, right? So we can even select more than one shape keys. Actually we can select all of them. So it's working, yeah, right? We can run it. So here's the sample animation. Now I'm gonna do something in Python. I'm gonna delete this keyframe, drag it, and open the text editor, new. I'm gonna write, need to zoom in so that you can see. It needs time to write. Actually I paused the video and write some code here. We need to first import BPY, which is Blender package BPY. Then I'm gonna create a object. Actually this is a kind of list, okay, and this list actually holding the key blocks. Those are the key blocks, right? There's actually 54 key blocks there, including this basis. So we can call those key blocks according to serial wise, like this serial. Okay, so at first I'm gonna something like face object 32 dot value. So it should be like 0, let's say it's 0.0, and then face object 32 dot keyframe insert. We need to insert keyframe here in first frame. Data path should be the value, this value 0, and we are inserting in frame 1. Okay, frame 1, sorry. Then we'll be inserting values like 1 and the key in the frame number 10. Let's run it and check is that working or not. So it is working, right? It is working. So we can see that this actually, so this frame actually I hold it, right? This key frame, sorry, this shape key actually I selected. So you can see that if I change or if it is run, so it is value should be changed. Okay, wait, yeah, right, its value is changing, right? So very simple. One thing is, if that's why I pause the video and check. Actually I am also finding I'm not pro in Blender, right? So one thing is, if you now changing the frame, but that extra key will let me just run and show. So it will select it will create a key in frame number 20. So you can see this 10 is not it's still there, right? So please make sure if you need to remove the key of number 10 frame, so you have to do it, right? Like we are gonna select all of those and delete it, delete keyframe. Let's check is it working. Yeah, it deleted all frame. We can even delete a single frame if we don't want. Just select this one, delete keyframe, it already deleted, right? That's how it's work. Now I am gonna creating something lip syncing. I'm gonna writing the code and come back again. I've wrote some codes, and if we run this, then we can see something happening. So that's definitely not real talking, like real life person is not talking like that, but it's kind of working, right? So what I'm gonna did here, I've already did something. I have changed, like if the remainder means I have running a for loop I range 1 to 100, and if the remainder of I by dividing 5 is 0, then I set the value is 0. Else if it is divisible by 3, fully divisible by 3, then I place the value 0.5. We can place the value 1 also. Let's see what happened. Okay, so delete this, run this. It's actually person is talking, but it's too faster, right? We need to tweak the talking like it's doing right now, right? I'm gonna tweak it again, and so I modified my existing code again, and here what I did actually, and basically I wanted to use prime numbers for perfectly divisible, checking or not, means if this perfectly divisible by 5, then value should be this. I'm setting the value, and or by 3, then it should be 1, or by 2, then it should be 0.5. And again I'm not writing in every frame. I'm writing actually every 4 frame 1, means after 4 frames I'll be writing, right? After each 4 frames I'll be writing, right? So if I run this, so you can see there's space over here. So let's just run it. So it's kind of slow, but it can be little bit slow. One more thing, did I do that, we need to convert maybe 24 fps to 30. Let's see what happened here. uh, it's kind of faster, should be faster, right? It should be faster, but what if I want to blink and talk, right? Blink and talk, I should modify that again. Okay, I've changed for eye blinking. Here you can find it also here, face object 12, which is 11. Actually this is this key, actually shape key, is using for eye blinking for both eyes. Next one is next to maybe for single eye. So what I'm using, what I've done here, for 5 divisible I actually set the value as 1, and for 2 divisible I set the value as 0. Okay, we can also swap this if we want, right? We can also swap this, and if we run this, then you can see, let's check it. So yeah, it's eye blinking, right? Last time it blinked twice. Okay, so we can even change this here. What if now we want to talk with uh, face, like laugh or something, or having fun or having joy, right? Let's also do that. So I've changed it for expression number 2, which is this one. Basically this is a test, actually I'm sharing with you guys. If you have any more efficient way, what actually we can do it manually, that's okay, but I think it will be more efficient if we can do it in Python. At least for myself, I know some kind of programming, and if I I'm still believe that if I not only myself, everyone, at least something can be automated, right? In animation, maybe my animation is not perfect, but we can definitely go further, right? Let's check it for the last time, and if you have any suggestion and to make it better of you, or if you know something that is more efficient than me, just let me know. Actually I didn't want to use any add-on. Yeah, add-on can do something for myself, means my work, it can also help me out, but for the first time I want to do it manually in Python without using shape key here. By selecting each time we need to do it manually. Instead of manually, we just I give you an example or idea how I have done this using vroid character. If you have any suggestion, please let me know. And I didn't attach any video clip here. We can do it for I can do it in next video. Okay, and I'll try to update what I have done later. Okay, thank you.